everybody, All Pro Exterior Services here. Nice little subdivision. We do this as an annual. They got our number. And with the whole package, less the roof, because it's a 10 rusted roof. So Tony's on property protection. We just got here. We're double feeding. The reason we're double feeding is we're trying to push through this job. We got a lot of jobs, and as you can see, Mother Nature is not cooperating today with us. We got a storm moving in, and this is I mean, the house really, just be cognizant of that. You see all that? You don't want to be saturating that with bleach. That's a fire waiting to happen. So I'm going to go around this as much as I can. And is there a gate? Oh, jeez. Oh, yeah, over here's a gate. Okay. It's a little wonky. Anyway. So we're going to do this little thing. The back of here, the biggest pain on this job, if you see those the biggest pain on this job, if you see those landscaping bricks, he wants all those done. I priced it accordingly. I mean, we're just gonna go old school with a pressure washer with the big machine, J-rod tip. I ain't gonna put a whole bunch of pressure on it, but it's medium pressure. I'll probably start on this side, hit this, roll with it, and pretty big driveway too. Pretty big driveway. I mean, if we get a little bit of rain, it'll be okay, because that pool deck, matter of fact, let me show you guys. But we got this whole driveway, so I'm going to have to end up moving my truck at some point back. Tony's going to work up to the trailer. I tell you, we're double feeding, but man, I tell you, it's not put. I don't know if it's a what. Oh, we got this flat work too. You see the grime and grum on the house. I'll show you the pool deck we're gonna do. A lot of vegetation. They're having a party here. Do the back. Look, Tony, we're gonna do this back what you're standing on too. And then the patio here. Somebody already surface cleaned it. We're gonna come in with a 4%. Hit it all. Come back with the M5 twist. These are the bricks I was talking about. These landscaping bricks. Oh man, that's not too bad. Could use a roof wash, but we didn't talk about that. It's okay. So no, here, that's what I was talking about right here on the end. Green machine. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and start rolling. Let me pull let's go through my settings. I'm gonna just go, I may bump it a little bit, but I ain't gonna bump it much. So I'm gonna go here, 5, good. I'm gonna go right there. It's about 1%. All right, guys. And then let's check the bleach count. 45 today. Start. Catch up. Hey. We had to actually stop. It started lightning really bad, pouring down. Trees in the street, down the road. We left the trailer here, hooked up. So Anthony, we're coming back now. We got debris, a little bit of debris we got to blow off. He's going to go ahead and finish surface cleaning. I'm going to go ahead and start hitting the house. We do have a little drizzle. I got a little poncho on, a little makeshift poncho, but it's clearing up as it progresses. So in about an hour, it's supposed to not be raining. So I'm like, you know what? This is great. We could do, everything's already wet, so we're rolling. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rolling. He's gonna surface clean, and we're gonna catch up. Peace. All right, everybody. Still on the property. We're having a problem with water, man. I think this is a well. And I'm glad they didn't lose power, because we wouldn't have any water. But we had a full tank. I washed one side of the house, on the other backside. And Tony's been surface cleaning a little bit, but I shut down the AR. We're just gonna surface clean. That's all we can do, and go from there. All right, it's looking good. It's coming out night and day. Just trying to get it done. Try to do something, Hey Tony, go right here and then go back. All right. So yeah, it looks good. It's coming out nice. The whisper wash working. This is where that 24-inch will come in a little handier. We got the power to push it. thinking about getting one. Just, you know, always something. And then we got these, and we look, me and the customer already talked about this. This columns, they're not sealed. I'm gonna wash them. I mean, I got all that dingy grind. Look at that door, it's not sealed too. So we're gonna wash it, but Tony is gonna spray water on it. Like when I wash, he's gonna be spraying everything down. So we'll be good. This cow came out nice over here. Let me show you the flood situation. Oh man, it's put us back 2 jobs already. And I got 3 more callers during the storm to come clean their houses. Look at this. I mean, how are we gonna clean that? I don't even know where this water goes. Looks like it goes this way, but anyway, we got that, and we're gonna, you know what I could do? I could go ahead and post-treat this. That's what I'm gonna do. Boom, boom. Break out the 12. Oh look, we about have an infinity pool here. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit this. We got everything already watered from the beautiful rain, Mother Nature. We're gonna go ahead and spike it. Let me put some 4% on that bad boy. All right, catch up. Hey, guys and girls, we just waited on the we're waiting on water. So 12 won't go use that much. Rain's pretty much over. It's just a little overcast. So I decided, you know what? While everything's wet, let's go ahead and hit with a 4%. Let's pool that. Because I can't stand sitting around waiting on water. I just don't use that much water. So that's what we're doing. You'll see how this transforms. They had a kitchen over there, that little makeshift kitchen. So anyway, getting it done. This could be saturating, marinating. Everything's got a good good coat of water on it from the beautiful weather. All right, I got let me go spray this down. Catch up. Peace. All right, we went ahead and picked the 12 volt up. Done with that for now. I'll show you what we got going, Zern. With a big flood. Smells like a swimming pool with the bleach. Look at that. Already came clean. Boom, 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 boom. I may not even have to rinse if we get this rainstorm. If the rain picks up, that's done. That's what I'm talking about, baby, baby. Yeah, still waiting on water. Story of our life. We got a well, we got double feed, and we still don't have enough water because of the well. About halfway, we're gonna get cranked up and try to finish this up, so we'll see. All right, guys, catch up. Peace. The radio was wrong. It should have stopped raining an hour ago. We out here fighting this stuff. The only thing, the reason we're fighting it is because we got so much work, and I really don't have time to. The pool deck came out nice. All that algae's gone. All that black algae, all that's on it, gone. So you know, anyway, we got the driveway finally done. We're waiting on water. This is just one. We haven't even hit these 2 yet. We got to hit these 2, so that's next. But we got building water up, so. I think is what we're gonna do here, and I'm sorry for the rain, but we're gonna rewash some of the house. We're gonna finish the house, them 2 little buildings, spray that, and come back in the morning, hit the 2 flat works, and they got a flat work in the back. I think I showed you that. It's flooded. Yeah, you see, there's no way we can do that right now. So at least we got the house done. We just hit that flat work and roll out. Anyway. That's about what we got going on, and I haven't been getting much footage just because it's raining. So anyway, gotta get the grind on. Peace. We are done for the day here. Yeah, we're done for the day here. Washed the house. Did everything we could with what we had. Water supply is low. I mean, we just got issues. So is what we're gonna do. I told the customer, let it dry up. We can't get in the back. It's got a half a foot of water in the patio. So we're gonna roll like that and then come back tomorrow. But we'll get some more footage in the morning. This will be part 1. Peace. Alright, guys and girls, we're back. We're just got a post treat and hit the back a little bit real quick. So we're gonna do that today. Get this property done. House is done. Also, FYI, we got another annual. So we're gonna post treat here. I'm just getting this where we came in at. Everything's already saturated from yesterday, so don't get excited. I'm just doing a post treat. I need to get a better fan tip than this one here. Working it out, waiting on it. There you go. I think we got something here. No SH yet. That's SH. So we're just going to do a quick post treat tone. I don't want to use the AR, and the reason why is because too much volume. We don't have enough water here, so we got to be cognizant of that. Just applying about a 3.5%. Nice little coat. I want to hit this first so it can be drying up. Tony's got the big rig rolling. I always come in try to come in like this so I don't get any in the grass. Make me a little marker there. Same. Working them angles. Yeah, this was I got a job. I got the call from Google. Coincidentally, we got that house over here in the annual, and he talked to her, I guess, get a reference. She's like, oh yeah, that's all pro. They know what's going on. Trying to double duty here. This one actually don't have many lines in it. Could have got by without a post treat, I think, but we like to do that just because it helps keep the concrete cleaner longer and it gets in those pores, Alright guys, catch up. Peace. I do a lot of we do a lot of gutter cleaning. You can see here, this was a lot worse. I just started filming. You can see all the dirt on the roof. That's where Tony walked the roof and was able to blow the valleys out. So we got that done. I got the little giant. I hit the front and the side already, so I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse it because that's what we do. Make sure everything's good. I like before and after pictures when I rinse. Show them to the customer. This client actually called me. Had a situation with the insurance. Said they was gonna drop his coverage if he didn't get it cleared up. So, you know what that does. Yeah, now wait for gutter cleaning. You don't like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and crank the AR up. It did need warming. We used it this morning. Don't need much pressure. There you go. Don't need much pressure. What I'm gonna do we do get a little bit of debris on the concrete. I mean, it's inevitable. So I'm just gonna blow some of this off. You know, take care of your customers. We're gonna put them on that program. You know what I'm talking about. You know what program I'm talking about. You already know. All right. Oh man, whipped out. We've been busting it. Got 5 more approvals yesterday. Oh yeah, I already hit it with a little water hose, but that little rinky-dink hose. Oh yeah, now we got some flow. Right there. Oh yeah. Yeah, bad boy's flowing now. That's clean as a whistle. Sometimes you can just blow these gutters out, like I said. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, now I'm gonna go move the ladder to the front where I was working. Get that cleaned up. Show you guys. Yeah, these gutter jobs, these gutter jobs are costing now just as much, if not, this job here is about 20% higher than my regular. Well, not my regular, but it's a good ticket, let's just say that. We've been about 20 minutes. So, okay, let's see this one. I do like this giant for this because you can collapse that one side. It's not too bad. Just need to get some in here. But sometimes you need to come back and hit the face of these gutters. There you go, look at that. View. Oh, there, we got some good float now. Surprised they didn't have no leaks in there. This is some more blowing we did. Let's see what this looks like. Tony blew most of this out. Actually, don't look bad at all. Just a little bit of debris. A little bit of mud. If they had a spout right here, I could just shoot it out. Ain't nothing. Okay. Oh, there is a spout. Let me try that. Make sure we got flow in the spout. Yeah, gutter jobs, you know, people call you because they don't want to mess with it. And I'm gonna hit this one right here. So there you are, getting that distance. Okay, done. Hit this. I can do that with this ladder. Let's see how this looks. All right.
On the journey with all pro gutter. Nice. It's got to have its own spout. Good job, Tony. Good job, Tony. Man, he's about to get another Employee of the Month certificate. Come on, man. I always like to try to shoot down the dog. Alright, we got flow. Okay. Next, front side done. See if the back. Tony did all that. It's been a game changer. I'll probably have to go get some more hose here in a minute, but it's all good. That's all right. Some people like to bring a bucket up, and I think that's a really good idea until you try it. So really, I got to come on the end. I don't know where the downspouts out here. See how this looks. See how packed it is? Gutter, whatchamadoodle broken. Gutter bracket, that's what I'm trying to say. Get it right on pro. See that? Oh yeah, we got to do all that. Here's a spout right here. So once we clear the spout, we're able to, you know, rinse this off real quick. Got that leveler. Let's go ahead and spray this. Wow. Jeez. Man, I can't get up there because my ladder's shaky. Wow, that is a mess, if I ever seen one. Let's get back over here real quick to see our gutters. All right. Look at that stuff out of that downspout. Now we got some flow. So I think is what I'm gonna do. Let's take a look. Yeah, I can get all that, but I'm gonna shut down the AR because it's gonna be a while for a rinse. So let me do that. And if you're working solo and you need to shut this down without walking in the truck back and forth, what I'm doing, put it on auto spray. Yeah, right. Watch. Just like that. Gotta put it under something. Well, put it on auto spray. Shut the machine down, do your work, come back, finish it off. Okay, let it depressurize. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get rolling, and we'll catch up with you with some footage. Peace. Got it all done. Here's a half the shot. We cleaned them out. Here's all the bags over here. So again, I knew that coming in. Selling bags. I knew that coming in. Price accordingly. You don't want to do it? I don't want to do it. But we did it. Catch up. Peace.